In this cake tutorial, you'll see how to make this Halloween cake with blood red roses, buttercream striping, and candy skulls. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. And if you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. This skeleton Halloween cake is part of a YouTube creator collaboration with Epic Confections, Rosie's Dessert Spot, and Storytale Cakes. Make sure to check out their cake designs. To make the beige, add a small amount of cocoa powder to about 1.5 cups of buttercream. One batch of my buttercream recipe makes 4 cups. Add a larger amount of cocoa to the remaining buttercream along with black gel. This is a luscious chocolate buttercream cake with chocolate mousse. The recipes are in my book. You can also find them here on my channel for small cakes like this one. Crumb coat the cake in the light beige buttercream and then fully frost it with the same buttercream. Use a bench scraper or a spatula to smooth out the buttercream. To stripe your cake, you'll need a comb like this one. I'm using one that my son created for me as a prototype, but you can find the Wilton one in my shop. Or check out Rosie's. She also sells a variety of combs. Carefully scrape and then clean the scraper often. While the cake is in the refrigerator, make your candy skulls with melted white chocolate and these awesome skeleton head molds. You can get these in my Amazon shop as well. I found these candles at Joann's Fabrics. I wasn't able to find the exact ones on Amazon. To create the shadows on the skeleton heads, use brown petal dust or cocoa. I also used a little bit of shiny pink on some of them. You want to make sure your cake is chilled before you do this. The buttercream has to be hard for this to work. At the end of this video, you will see an end card with another striping tutorial that I recently made for you with a little more detail on this technique. Use a tip large enough to fill the divots completely. Then start scraping and continue until you get a clean line. It will seem like this is an impossibility, but eventually you'll get a good clean line. Now for the roses, if you start with previously colored buttercream like I did, you can add red gel to it and it'll get deeper. Start with an orange if possible. It's easier to place buttercream flowers if you refrigerate or freeze them first, so I pipe them onto little pieces of wax paper and then I stick them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. You can use a dab of buttercream on the back of the skulls to stick them onto the cake. I just piled them up on the side. I also made this Halloween skeleton cake for our son Chad's 32nd birthday celebration. Happy birthday, Chad! Take a peek at my collaborators' designs. The links are below and in the playlist. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.